How to make your first $100 online, even if you have no skills. Most people trying to make money online fail before they even start. Not because they're lazy, not because they're not smart enough, but because every video they watch tells them to build a brand or start a business. That's great advice for later. Right now, you just want your first $100. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 methods that actually work for a complete beginner. No skills, no following, no investment. And stick around, because method number 3 is the one most people never talk about. It might be the fastest way to your first dollar online. This channel is about real ways to make money online. No hype, no schemes, just methods that work, with realistic timelines and real numbers. If that's what you're looking for, subscribe. New video every week. Now, let's get into it. Most people hear the word freelancing and immediately think, I can't code. I'm not a designer. I have nothing to offer. That's the wrong way to think about it. On platforms like Fiverr and People Per Hour, people pay for simple things every single day. Writing product descriptions, transcribing audio files, formatting documents, resizing images, translating short texts. These tasks pay anywhere from $5 to $30 each, and you can do multiple in a single day. Here's the exact move. Pick one thing you can do, even something basic. Create a gig. Keep it simple. Don't overthink the title. Your only goal at the start is 3 reviews. Once you have 3 reviews, orders start coming in on their own. To get those first reviews, reach out to 10 people you know. Offer to do the work for free or heavily discounted. Get the review, then charge full price going forward. Realistic timeline to $100, 1 to 2 weeks. Method 2 is completely different. No clients, no conversations, no selling. You make something once, and it keeps making money while you sleep. A digital product sounds complicated. It's not. I'm not talking about a full online course. I'm talking about something you can build in one afternoon. A Notion template, a resume template, a weekly planner, a simple checklist, a budget tracker in Google Sheets. People sell these on Etsy and Gumroad for $3 to $15 each. Let's do the math. Price it at $7. Sell 15 copies. That's your $100 from one product created once. You don't need design skills. Canva is free. Notion is free. Google Docs is free. The only thing you need is to solve one specific problem for one specific person. Think about what you find easy, that other people find annoying or confusing. That's your product. Realistic timeline? 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how you market it. Okay, method 3. This is the one I mentioned at the start. The simplest one on this list and the most underrated. There are platforms that pay you to complete tiny online tasks. Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Appen, Remote tasks. The tasks are simple: labeling images for AI training, categorizing products, verifying information, answering short surveys. You're not going to get rich doing this, but can you make $100? Absolutely. Some people use this instead of their evening scroll time. 2 hours on TikTok or 2 hours on Clickworker making $20. Do that 5 days in a row. That's your $100. No interview, no experience required. Sign up and start working the same day. Realistic timeline, 5 to 10 days, 1 to 2 hours per day. Last method. This one starts the slowest, but it has the highest ceiling of everything on this list. The concept is simple. Buy low, sell high. But forget about opening a store or managing inventory. Start with what you already have. Walk through your home. Find 5 things you don't use anymore. Post them on Facebook Marketplace today. Old electronics, clothes, books, furniture, sports equipment. People buy this stuff every single day. Once you get comfortable, take it further. Go to thrift stores or garage sales. Buy something for $5. Sell it for $25. It sounds too simple, but people build full businesses doing exactly this. Realistic timeline to $100, 1 to 2 weeks, depending on what you're selling. So, 4 methods. Freelancing microtasks. Digital products, microtask platforms, flipping. All of them work. All of them are free to start. All of them are realistic for a complete beginner. The only question is, which one are you going to try first? If you want the next step, how to actually scale past that first $100, that video is coming next week. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one. If you want to learn more about making money online and building real income streams, subscribe to the channel. New videos are coming every week.